Wagwan agents, it's your boy Dimitri. I'm gonna take you through the DRN setup. Alright agents, so there's a couple steps to this process. Step one, have to request that API key, right? So reach out to the team, we're gonna request your DRN API key, and we're also gonna get a block of users. Insightt will allow you to give each of your drivers individual users. Yep, you heard it. No more kits with 3 drivers here, 3 drivers there, 1 login, who gets which scans, take a picture here, take a picture there. Nah, we're gonna give you guys individual logins, right? Individual logins for your drivers. We're gonna track their scans, we're gonna track their live hits. Oh yeah, live hits. DRN has never done that before, baby. Live hits, all right? So we're gonna track those live hits, we're gonna track live LPR hits, we're gonna track direct hits, and we're gonna track unique scans. Not total scans, unique scans, all right? So no more going into a parking garage, circling it like 3 times just to get their scans up. Hell no, if that parking garage has 100 cars, that's 100 scans. Sorry, buddy. As I said, no more, 1 kit, 2 kit. It's gonna be your user, all right? Trust me, it's gonna be sick. Stick with me. First things first, let's get logged in and let's install that DRN API key. After we get logged in, we're gonna scroll on here to the edit company section, and we're gonna, your DRN ID field is probably gonna be blank. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna insert that DRN ID that we got from DRN, all right? Boom. After that, remember to hit next for it to save. If we don't hit next, it won't save, all right? Next. After that, we can navigate straight to the home page. And with that step alone, you'll start seeing your DRN data flowing in, but it's still gonna flow in per kit, right? So we need to figure out how to get these individual drivers to log in with their individual IDs, all right? To do that, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna scroll down here. We're gonna click on users. And once we're here, we want to find these drivers who are driving these camera cars, right? So when we're in users, this is not bound to camera cars only. It's anybody who's driving with a camera kit, all right? That could be agents, that could be, employees with camera kits on their personal vehicle. As long as they have a camera kit, they're gonna need an ID. So let's scroll down here. Let's find one of our drivers who need an ID. Here we go. Anthony Henry, I can see here he has an RDN ID, but he does not have a DRN ID, all right? So let's go into his profile. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna hit edit, and we're gonna give him a DRN ID. And on the block, what's gonna happen on your block is you're gonna have like a username and a number, and that number is gonna be up to the size of your block. So if your block is 15, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, all right? Once we get their DRN ID inserted, we're gonna go ahead and hit save. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all done. Start watching that data flow in. That was a DRN setup. It's your boy Dimitri. Catch you on the next one.